Hi, this screencast is all about Mount Kilimanjaro. So, starting with the notes, it says that Mount Kilimanjaro is the tallest mountain in Africa. And if you're wondering where it is, it's actually really close to Lake Victoria. So, Lake Victoria is here. And then, if you go a little bit to the east, you'll find Mount Kilimanjaro. It's also in Eastern Africa. So the note says it is in Tanzania and it rises approximately 16,100 feet at its base to 19,340 feet above sea level. So it's really, really, really tall. The mountain is a dormant volcano. So maybe you've learned the word dormant before in science class. That means sleeping. So it used to be a volcano and now it is not active anymore. So it actually has snow on top. Let's see what it looks like. This picture shows some people hiking up to the summit. The summit is at the top. So if you summit a mountain, that means you climb all the way to the top. And here's a picture of it from afar. So down at the grassland, you can look up and you can see the snow at the top. So the note says, let's get the notes here. Mount Kilimanjaro is part of the Kilimanjaro National Park and is a major climbing destination. People come from all over the world to climb to the summit. The first climbers proven to have reached the summit of the mountain were Hans Meyer and Ludwig Purtscheller in 1889. So over 100 years ago, the first Europeans climbed to the top. In today's folder, I wanted to show you, I put some extra videos for you in case you're interested in seeing what it would be like to climb this mountain. So the video I put is here, Climbing Mount Kilimanjaro Part 1. And I just want to show you what it's like.
Well, the first head nod, like when they saw.
So it follows this man, and he is climbing the mountain. He climbed it a few years ago, and it's all about his adventure getting up the mountain, and he leaves you on a cliffhanger. So if you want to see if he made it, you have to watch part 2, where they try to go to the summit.
At 19,341 feet.
Okay, so if you're at the top of Mount Kilimanjaro, that's what it would look like. Pretty outstanding, huh? I also found another website about animals on Mount Kilimanjaro. And this website was a project another student did about the mountain. And I liked it quite a lot because it was talking about the climate. But what I really liked was the animal part. I want to show you that. Okay, so it says on Mount Kilimanjaro, there are some endangered species, like this is the Zanzibar red Columbus monkey. And then, oh, he's so cute. There's the blue monkey you'll find on Mount Kilimanjaro. Oh, the 4-striped grass mouse is on Kilimanjaro. Oh, what's that? The bush pig. Never heard of a bush pig before. And then there's some plants that are found. The fireball lily. Ooh, that's pretty. Helichrysum Meyeri Johannes. And it's a giant fern. So the mountain it's so interesting because it's not just like, all snow. There's actually many different biomes on it. There's grassland, and then there's some place with like lots of forests, and then as you climb up, the person in the video was saying it kind of looks like Mars, and then as you get to the top there's snow. So that's for you. If you'd like to watch a climbing adventure, I would encourage you to watch this Climbing Mount Kilimanjaro video. Otherwise, you can turn in your notes from today, and Mount Kilimanjaro will be the last place we will learn about in Africa. So congratulations for making it to the end.